Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. How are you? Hope that all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Dear learners, today we will go through lesson 3 and 4, our ethnic friends, part 1 and 2 from unit 1. Dear learners, in our last 2 classes, we came to know about our folk songs and Nakshi Katha. Today we will try to learn about our ethnic people of Bangladesh. Dear learners, in lesson 3, at first we get activity A. Look at the question following and discuss in groups. Have you heard the word ethnic people? Can you tell what it means? Here you can see some pictures also. After seeing the picture, you have some questions. Do you know where the ethnic people live in Bangladesh? What are they called? Dear learners, at first we will go through the text. After that, we will try to answer all those questions. So dear learners, let's read the text. The ethnic people in Bangladesh hold a very important place in the culture of the country. The majority of these people live in the Chittagong Hill tracts. The others live in the regions of Mymensingh, Rajshahi and Sylhet. They live in forest areas, in the hills and in rural areas. They do jhum cultivation. For this work, they clear a piece of land in the forest, prepare it and sow seeds in it. They are mostly farmers. By the reason they are Hindus, Christians or Buddhists. They speak their own mother tongues. Some of them are the Chakmas and the Marmas and the Tipers and the Murungas, who live in the hill tracts. The Santals live in Rajshahi. The Khasias and the Munipuris live in Sylhet. And the Hajams and the Garos in Mymensingh. And now, dear learners, lesson 4. Most of these ethnic people living in Bangladesh have some common characteristics. They have their own lifestyles. They build their houses on bamboo or wooden platforms called macham. Rice is their staple food. They eat vegetables, maize and fish, poultry and meat. Their kitchen utensils are bamboo, wooden and earthen pots which they make themselves. Men wear lungis and women wear kameez or sharongs and angis. Women weave their own clothes. Hunting and fishing are their favorite pastimes. They are fond of songs, music, dances, theatre and fairs. Traditional musical instruments used are bugles made from buffalo horns, drums and bamboo flutes. Wrestling is a popular sport for them. Dear learners, that's from our ethnic friends. Now, dear learners, we have to answer all those questions that come in the text. So, at first, we will try to know who are ethnic people. So, let's try to write the answer. Ethnic people are relating to a population subgroup within a common set of tradition, ancestry, language, history, society, culture, nation, religion, and social treatment So dear learners, at first we have written the definition of ethnic people. Ethnic people are relating to a population subgroup, that means they are a grouping people within a common set of tradition. They have same tradition, ancestry, that means heritage, language, history, society, culture, nation, religion and social treatment within their residing area. Dear learners, next we will try to know how many kinds of ethnic people are there in Bangladesh. Actually, there are more than 27 kinds of ethnic people live in Bangladesh. We will try to write some of them. Kinds. At first, we can write the Chakmas, the Marmas, the Trippers, the Mulungas, the Manipuris, the Khasias, the Bones, the Kumis, the Mros, the Hajaus, the Garos, etc. So dear learners, different kinds of ethnic people are the Chakmas, the Marmas, the Tipparas, the Santals, the Mulungas, the Manipuris, the Khasias, the Bones, the Kumis, the Mros, the Hajaus, the Garos, etc. That means there are also different kind of ethnic people. Now we will try to learn where they reside. Residing area, where the ethnic people of Bangladesh live. Actually, most of them live in the Chittagong Hill Tracts and the rest live in the regions, some regions of Mymensingh, Sylhet, Vola and Rajshahi. But most of them live in the Chittagong Hill Tracts. So I am writing the name, the Chittagong Hill Tracts. Some regions of Maimansingh, Rajshahi, and Sylhet. Okay, so the residing area, starting area of the ethnic people, we have found that the Chittagong Hill Tracts, some regions of Maimansingh, Rajshahi and Sylhet. Now we will try to write the religion of the ethnic people of Bangladesh. Actually, most of the ethnic people are Buddhist. The majority of the ethnic people are Buddhist and the rest are Hindus, Christians and animists. Okay, I'm writing it. Most of them are Buddhist. Rest are Hindus, Christians and animists. That means worshippers of animal. There are some ethnic people who worship animals, and they are called animists. Okay. Now you try to write about their language. Actually, the ethnic people have their own dialect, that means their own mother tongue. Each tribe has their own dialect, means their own mother tongue, but side by side they also use Bangla as a second language. Each tribe has its own dialect, means their own mother tongue, and also uses Bangla. They communicate with other people of the country with Bangla, as we will not be able to communicate with them with their own mother tongue. So for communicate with us, they use Bangla. But with each other within their tribe, they use their dialect. Dear learners, now we will try to write about their food habit. What kind of food actually they take? Actually, they also take same kinds of food like us, but there is some difference also. We will try to now identify what kind of food they take. Food. Actually, they take rice as a staple food like us. They take rice as a staple food, supplemented by vegetables, maize, or fish, different kinds of fishes, poultry, meat, and also different kinds of dry fish. and they are actually fond of sticky rice. So what can we see? We see that they take rice as a staple food, supplemented by vegetables, maize, corn, fish, poultry, meat, different kinds of dry fish. Okay. Now dear learners, now we will try to write something about their clothing. What kind of dress and what kind of ornaments actually they wear. Clothing. Actually, men wear lungis. Nowadays, they wear shirt and trousers also. Women wear thamis, sarongs and angis. Women also wear a variety of necklace, bracelets, and different kinds of ornaments. So what about clothing? Men wear lungis. Nowadays they wear shirts and trousers also. Women wear thamis or sarongs and angis. Women also wear a variety of necklaces, bracelets and different kinds of ornaments. Now dear learners, we will try to write something about their festival. Actually, our ethnic people observe or celebrate all their religious festivals. Side by side, they celebrate Bangla New Year, which is known as Boishakh. So, they observe all their religious festival. Besides a combined New Year celebration, New Year celebration, Boishakh, Yes. Is celebrated by them. Actually, this Boishakh is celebrated in taking different names, as we can say that it is known as Biju, Bihu, Shangrai, Shangram in different group of ethnic people. But it's a combined name, it takes a combined name, that is Boishakh. Now dear learners, first we will try to know about their living condition. That means what kind of house they actually built. They built their houses on bamboo or wooden platform. Called macham. The bamboo or wooden platform is known as macham, but nowadays they also make or build mud and brick built house. Also build mud and brick built house. So, what I have written, dear learners, about their living condition is that they build their houses on bamboo or wooden platforms called macham. But nowadays, they are also building mud and brick built houses also. So, dear learners, I have already written many informations on our ethnic friends. Dear learners, now I would like to talk about your first assignment on English for the second week. You are given an assignment on this lesson, our ethnic friends part 2. Here you are asked to write some information for your foreign friends who is very curious to know about our ethnic people, and you are asked to write those information in a fact file. So dear learners, the question is now, what is a fact file? Actually, dear learners, I have written all those informations within very short and specifically. So I am writing the definition of fact file. A fact file actually is a short report A fact file is a short report of all the most important information on one subject. So dear learners, I have already written all the most important information on our ethnic friends, that means our ethnic people of Bangladesh. So if you follow today's class, you will be able to write your assignment perfectly. But you have to, and you can also give extra information if you have, and you can also draw pictures, you can also draw images, you can give chart relevant to your writings. You have every freedom, you are given chance to write with your own. You can draw pictures, you can draw images, you can give chart, table, etc. Whatever you like, that are all are relevant to your topic, that means our ethnic friends. So dear learners, that's all for today. I think you have understood our class and you will try to write the assignment accordingly. Thank you very much.